All right, let me open Semicolon. Struggling. There we go. Ooh. Ooh, is this the CD? Yep. CD says Semicolon on it. And then, ooh, Mihao, the 8. Let's take out all that. Oh man, standing SM group, sometimes I forget how many things come with stuff. This cute sticker. Oh man, this is really nice. I really like this. Okay, I'm gonna put the card last. Oh, more Mihao. Is it all Mihao? Is it all the 8? Oh, there's a group. There's a, oh, the photo card's June. There's June and has Coops. And yeah. This is really cute. Yeah. These are cute. I really like. Is there like a special, like, is there like a number? Or like a version? Is it just a special album? I guess it's just special album. That's really cute though. I like that. Nice, nice. Wait, there's still a box. I didn't even realize there's still a box. Let's see here then. Oh, what the? Oh, what the? Oh, okay. I have a weaving kit to make my own something. That's really cute. I might do this. But, yeah. Oh, there's something else in there. Ah. Needle to do the weaving with. That's fun. Wow. A whole, like, event thing in here. Why haven't I ever gotten a 17 album? Alright, time to pack things up and then open